always searching, exploring new ways, determined to be beyond the curve. Being responsible in our actions, to embrace and reuse, conserving the Earth's resources through the care of the existing. Nothing lasts forever. But with an innovative mindset and curiosity, we want to explore what the path of tomorrow might look like. A path where the traditional chain is relinked and challenges become opportunities. Where the luminaire's aluminium is not forgotten or compromised, but respected and preserved. Redefining the definition of a lifetime, where the end is only the beginning.